Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Backup saves and game folders, then enable the developer or debug console in Options and confirm a convenient keybind. Once done, relaunch the game and test the key. The console should appear as a text prompt overlay. Make sure you run the game with administrator privileges if commands don't execute. This avoids permission errors and preserves progress so you can experiment without losing your main save. Once the console is open, type help or list to reveal available commands and their brief descriptions. You use single-line commands with arguments. Examples include spawning entities by ID, toggling noclip, or setting player attributes. Follow the command format exactly. Make use of tab completion and the up arrow to edit prior entries for faster iteration. If a command fails, check spelling, required parameters, and whether you need to finish, apply changes and immediately test their impact in gameplay. Save to a separate slot so you can revert. If something breaks, consult the console output for errors and use undo or spawn remove commands where available. If the console won't open, make sure the keybind isn't conflicting with overlays like Steam, disable input capturing apps, and verify the option remains enabled. As a final tip, restore your backup if the state becomes unstable, then reapply changes step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.